You ever sit there, thinking about how nothing's going the way you planned? You study, you try, you push, and still, life knocks you down. You start to wonder if it's even worth it. But that pain you feel right now, that's not the end. That's the beginning. Every setback you face is a setup for something greater. You just can't see it yet. The struggle, the silence, the frustration. It's building something inside you that easy times never could. Most people quit when it hurts, but the ones who keep moving, they're the ones who rise. When you're working, training, pushing through the grind, remember, this is where your strength is built. This is where you turn pain into purpose, weakness into power. You don't grow when life is easy. You grow when life tests you. So, stop asking why me and start saying try me. Because the ones who turn their setbacks into setups, they become unstoppable. Like, comment, rising, and subscribe if you're ready to turn every setback into your greatest comeback.